Go.
Okay, we're talking about where we expect our progress to go on this this episode. Is that correct?
Well, next couple of days, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, the next couple of days. We're sort of back into it now, and I'd like to get this section buttoned up here with the inner plates, all inner stuff now. I'm not worried about the outer sheet metal. So these inner plates, that plate, which you can't see, this plate,
Oh, I've seen them.
this plate, and all of this got to go back in. And I'm hopefully getting that all back in today. So once we've done that section, at the same time we're going to do the wheel tub, or tubs, both of them. I've got both of them. And the outer wheel tub needs modifying in this section here because the one for the sedan is different and they don't make one for the ute, which is a real shame.
That's right. Yeah.
And so we'll have to modify that, but I haven't yet seen anybody modify it, but it shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. So once that's done, we're going to repair. We have to repair this section here, which shouldn't be too difficult, and this end of the end of the wheel seal, end of the seal. So then, of course, we'll move on to replacing this seat support, and this seat belt support here is actually okay. So this one stays, and we did that one over there. And then once that's done, we move on to do the outer, oh, what was that? Anyway, we do the outer one here, the outer sill here, and then it's honky-dory. Really took the shirt off my back. It's a bit baggy. Because everybody's got the shirt underneath. Dudums. Super nobody. Yeah.
I needed a long sleeve.
He needed my long sleeves because I bought my welding shirt especially because I was sick of getting burnt arms. But Josh is here, so he likes to weld. So as a result, he gets the welding shirt. So I got my blue shirt on. Here, have a look. See, blue shirt. Am I lined up?
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah, good enough. Yeah. Hey, selfie shot. Hey, selfie shot.
Alright, let's do this.
Quick progress update. That's this section in there, and now we'll probably put
No, wouldn't we fill this place in?
oh yeah, we've got to fill that hole up. Oh yeah, just as well. Yeah, there's a hole there. Was the rust hole, and I got a bit carried away, cut it out. So we've got to weld that up. Weld the new plate in there. Okay, that plate's in now. Then we put this last plate in. Let me find it. Now this plate goes on, and then we put this last panel in here, and then we're done. Wow, it's gone so much quicker than the last side. And, this time I didn't have to worry about making templates and figuring it out and finding out the best way to do it, because, you know, rehearse is good. Quick peek before I weld this in. This is just drilled a few plug weld holes, and the rest that'll actually along down there. I'll actually sand all that and grind it off. It's not a great fit really, but I mean it works. And there's no rust. It's just so rough in the factory. It's hard to. Sometimes you've got to deal with it. Just deal with how it was. And understand that they created it as a work ute, and it is a work ute, and I want something a little bit better, but maybe I should have started off with a Ferrari or something. And, anyway, so that'll get welded onto there, and this is all new now. Everything's all new, and that gets welded in, and then I repair and weld this panel in here, and then we do the wheel tops. But that's it, all honky-dory and done. All welded in and ground down. Beautiful. No rust anymore.